Today I'm going to show you how to make this slow cooker cheesy salsa chicken. It's just a few ingredients, it's really quick and easy, and it's really tasty.
Okay, so what you need, it calls for a 16-ounce jar, which would be about 453 grams of a medium salsa. My jars actually come in 300 grams, so that'd be about 1.5 jars. Then you need 1.5 pounds, which is about 680 grams of uncooked chicken breast that's been diced. I've just cut it in like, oh, I don't know, 3/4 to 1 inch size chunks. Salt to taste. 2 cups of cheese. You could use a cheddar style. You could use a Mexican blend if you like. That'd be really nice. And then we're going to use 2 cups of cauliflower rice. Now, I've just got this at the grocery store. This is already actually cauliflower and broccoli made into rice. Anything's fine, whatever you like to use. If you're not doing low carb, you could use 2 cups of cooked regular rice, or even a Spanish rice would be nice. If you like, you can put some cilantro in for garnish. I don't happen to care for that, so I'm leaving that out. Okay, so I've started by just putting the salsa in the bottom of the slow cooker, and now I'm just going to add my chicken on top of that. Now, if you don't have a slow cooker or don't want to use one, you most certainly could make this on the stovetop if you wanted to. Probably would take, say, 20 to 30 minutes if you cook it in a pan, but I really like the simplicity of just dumping it in the slow cooker and done with it. So just sort of spread that out a bit. I just give it a little sprinkle of salt, put the lid on, and we're going to cook that 3 to 5 hours on high or 4 to 6 hours on low. Okay, so that's been on high for 3 hours, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now, it does say once this is finished, you serve it over your cooked rice or cauliflower rice or whatever you're using. So I could cook this separately, but I'm going to actually just add it in right now. Otherwise, if you're not adding it at this stage, you can just put the cheese on next and cover it up again. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add this. And stir it down in with the other ingredients. So that's going to cook in the next stage. And now you just add your cheese. And that's 2 cups of cheese. Now you don't stir the cheese in. We're just going to go ahead and cover it tightly again and give it another half an hour. Okay, so that's been another half an hour. Just going to go ahead and open it up. I think I'm going to let that settle for just a few minutes, then I'll plate it up. So there it is, slow cooker cheesy salsa chicken. Just had a taste. I think it's delicious. I hope you like it too. The cauliflower rice in it is just, to me, it's a little more than al dente. It's maybe like crisp tender, I would call it, but I like it that way. If you want yours a lot softer, you might want to throw it in maybe in the last hour.